Welcome to today's news.
UPSC Recruitment 2025. Apply for Dangerous Goods Inspector, Assistant Professor and other posts. UPSC Recruitment 2025. Applications window is open for Dangerous Goods Inspector, Assistant Professor and other posts. The Union Public Service Commission (UPSC) is accepting online applications for recruitment in several vacancies, including Dangerous Goods Inspector in Directorate General of Civil Aviation, Ministry of Civil Aviation and Assistant Professor Chemistry in Jawaharlal Nehru Rajagiriya Mahavidyalaya, Andaman and Nicobar Administration, among others. Eligible candidates can submit their applications on the official website at upsconline.gov.in/ORR. Some of these vacancies include 1. Dangerous Goods Inspector in Directorate General of Civil Aviation, Ministry of Civil Aviation, 3 vacancies. 2. Assistant Professor Chemistry in Jawaharlal Nehru Rajagiriya Mahavidyalaya, Andaman and Nicobar Administration, 3 vacancies. Assistant Professor Commerce in Jawaharlal Nehru Rajagiriya Mahavidyalaya, Andaman and Nicobar Administration, 1 vacancy. Assistant Professor Computer Science in Jawaharlal Nehru Rajagiriya Mahavidyalaya, Andaman and Nicobar Administration, 1 vacancy. Assistant Professor English in Jawaharlal Nehru Rajagiriya Mahavidyalaya, Andaman and Nicobar Administration, 2 vacancies. Eligibility. To apply for the post of Dangerous Goods Inspector, candidates must hold graduation in any discipline. They should have undergone a Category 6 Dangerous Goods Training course duly approved by the Directorate General of Civil Aviation (DGCA) or International Civil Aviation Organization (ICAO) or International Air Transport Association (IATA). Additionally, they should have a total experience of 5 years in handling of air cargo in scheduled operations. Candidates who applying for assistant professor post should hold a master's degree in the relevant subject with the marks prescribed by the Commission. They should also have cleared the National Eligibility Test or a similar test conducted accredited by the UGC or CSIR. PhD holders can apply. The detailed information can be found on the official notification. Application fee. As per the Commission, candidates except female SC/ST persons with benchmark disability, candidates are required to pay a fee of ₹25 either by remitting the money in any branch of the SBI by cash or by using net banking facility of any bank or by using Visa, Master, RuPay, Credit, Debit card, UPI payment. Applications without the prescribed fee would not be considered and summarily rejected. Besides, the fee once paid shall not be refunded under any circumstances, nor can the fee be held in reserve for any other examination or selection process. Candidates will be selected through interview. They will be shortlisted for the interview as per the information provided in their online applications. Candidates are required to carry their original documents, certificates, self-attested copies and any other items specified in the summons letter started the UPSC. The vacancy details, age limit, selection process, eligibility criteria, online registration process, payment of application fee, important dates to remember, process and pattern of examination, interview and more related details. Candidates are advised to visit the official website at https://upsconline.gov.in.
For more latest news, career, job, exam, question papers, notes and study materials, visit the website https://studyforsure.com. Thank you.